Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I'm going to present a topic structure of plant parts like root, stem, leaves, meristem and their secondary growth. Overview of vascular plants. Plants' organs are made from simple and complex tissues that adapt as a group to perform particular function. Vascular plants have three types of organ: root, stem and leaves. Roots, you can see here in diagram, root has two main functions: anchoring the plant in the soil and absorption of water and minerals. Many roots store food for the plants, for example carrot and sweet potatoes. Stem, you can see here structure of stem in diagram. Stem vary greatly in size, such as cylinder stalk supporting a small flower. All stems display leaves in the best position for photosynthesis. Stem provides pathway for the transport of leaves products to roots. Leaves. Leaves serve as the site of photosynthesis. They are an extension of plant's vascular tissue system. Leaves do not only conduct water but also provide most of the pressure that actually force the water through the plant body. Plant growth and development. At every structural level, from cell to tissue to organ, a plant is a complex dynamic organism. Plant and other multicellular organisms develop from a single cell. Seed plants are of two types, gymnosperms and angiosperms. There are two systems in plant structure: root system and shoot system. Plant embryology. In this, plant embryo have following organs: cotyledon, radicle, plumule, epicotyle, hypocotyle. Cotyledon. Seed leaves are called cotyledon. Consist of one or more seed leaves. Main function: storage, food for the germinating seed. Radicle is embryonic root and plumule is embryonic shoot. Epicotyle is embryonic stem and hypocotyle is the stem of germinating seedling found below the cotyledon and above the radicle. Plant growing season. There are three seasons in which a plant can grow: annual, biennial and perennial plants. Annual plants. An annual is a plant that completes its life cycle during a one or single growing season. For example, herbaceous plant like marigold, beans and corn, etc. Biennial plants requires two growing seasons to complete its life cycle. For example, herbaceous plant, carrot, beets, cabbage, etc. Perennial plants, they need to grow for more than 2 years. Most are woody plants like trees and shrubs. Plant organs. Plant body has two connecting systems. The root system consists of all components below ground. Shoot system consists of all plant parts or components above the ground. Root. In vascular plant, the root is the organ of a plant that typically lie below the surface of soil. Radicle is a plant first root. Function of root: it help to plant to firmly attach to the soil. It helps to absorption and conduction of water and nutrients in plant. It can storage of food. It helps in vegetative reproduction and production of hormones. Plant organ like stem. A part of plant that support leaves or reproductive structure is called stem. They may vary in size, such as from a cylinder stalk to a big tree trunk. First stem of a plant develop from part of a seed embryo called epicotyle. Stem function. They transport water and solute between root and leaves. They help to produce and support appendages of plant like leaves, flower and fruits. Stem in some plant are photosynthetic. External structure of stem. Node. A node is a point on the stem from which leaves or buds arise. Internode. The portion between two successive nodes is called internode. Bud. A bud is an undeveloped embryonic shoot. Leaves. A leaf is a thin flattened organ above ground and specialized for photosynthesis. It originates from precursor named leaf primordia. This develops into a leaf through cell division, growth and differentiation. Function of leaves. Photosynthesis is the primary function of leaf. It functions in water retention in desert plant like cactus. Function during transpiration. Function in translocation via the leaf veins. Types of leaf. A leaf can be either simple leaf or compound leaf. A simple leaf is a single leaf that attached to the stem, and a compound leaf is a leaf that is composed of two or more leaflets on a common stalk. Plant embryology. Embryonic root is called radicle. The part of a plant embryo that develops into primary root is called radicle, and embryonic shoot is called plumule. Thanks to visit our channel. Allah Hafiz.